We were able to stabilize in Europe after the sort of 2000 dot-com crash. We stabilized our manufacturing from around 2010 onwards at around $2 billion more or less in Europe, even with some consolidation of manufacturers. COVID sort of knocked us down a bit again, but we came back to that level more or less now. The real threat though right now for us is the energy costs, and there is a risk of this, or the mindset being, well, we're going to just drop down and down and down again against competition from Asia. But actually, if we have the right mindset, I'm certainly hoping that we can hold that line and then actually grow that line, because the market is growing. PCB worldwide is growing at around 6%. That's the kind of CAGR figures we're looking at. So the projections I saw recently, let's say we're around 80 something billion dollars now, maybe 84 billion dollars at the market. Projections are we'll be around 128, 130 billion dollars by 2030 worldwide. So the worldwide market is growing and has been growing. What I think we're asking for is that the European manufacturing sector should at least have that growth as well. So rather than staying still, which would be, of course, dropping in percentage terms, let's try to grow from that. We currently have around, 2.5% of the world PCB manufacturing in Europe. Holding it there would be of course the first line, but actually to grow that from 2.5, perhaps to 3, 3.5, 4 again would be wonderful. But that will require significant investment and will require some years. So I think that's the kind of mindset we have to have for this. And it's easy to become a bit despondent, a bit negative around the manufacturing of what's happened.